Hey there! Want to learn how to attach files like photos, videos, or documents to your emails on your iPhone? Whether you're using the Mail app, Gmail, or Outlook, I have got you covered with this easy guide. It's pretty simple once you know the steps, so let's dive right in. First, open the file or document that you want to send. For this example, I'll use a picture. Next, tap on the File apps. After that, browse to find the picture or file you want to attach. Now open the file. Then tap the Share icon. Look for your Mail app in the options. If you cannot find it there, don't worry. Swipe left to see more apps. Tap on More. Scroll down to find the Mail app. Now you'll see that the picture is attached. Next, add the contact you want to send it to. Then fill in all the necessary information like the recipient and subject. After that, tap the Send button. Your email with the attached file will be sent. With these steps, you should now be able to easily attach files, photos, or videos to your emails on your iPhone. If you run into any problems or need a little more help, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy emailing!